Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel I teach about forex trading and other things related to forex content. So beware and be warned. Forex, it involves high risk of leverage. If you can't, you stop out. So without wasting much time, today we are in episode 3, introduction to forex, and today I'm going to show you the trading platform that we are going to use, that we are using as forex trader. We are using MT4 and MT5. So these are MT4, MT5. So if you don't have it, what you are going to do is to enter Play Store. I know you have Play Store, MT4. You type MT4, MT4. Type. I've already downloaded mine, so it's just left for me to open. I've opened the app. So this is it. So you can open MT5. Let me enter Play Store. Still the same thing. MT5, MetaTrader 5. It's already updated. I open. So this is the way the interface look like. MT4 and MT5, they are similar. So let me use the MT4 that I want to show you. So this is the interface of MT4. These are the list of currency, as I said earlier: Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, Euro GBP, Euro JPY. This is good. So this is the interface. These are the currency that are traded. Like, let me show you. This is Euro USD 1 hour. Let me convert it to daily. So this is daily candle. This is daily candle. And this is USD JPY. It's also in daily. Here you change. So if you want to see that cycle, you tap the screen. It will pop up H1. This is 1 hour time frame. So this is where your position are when you place a trade. Like, this is my demo account, one that I'm trying to check one strategy that I'm using to analyze. And here is the profit that you make or loss, your history. Here is trading history. Like today I lost $64. Here is news and some other thing. You can see, you can get news. LZD rises back to this news. Here is latest news, so that it can keep you even up to date. Here is message. You can register, and sometimes people used to request for ID. If you don't want to check it, this is the ID. Immediately you pop it up, you see the ID. Immediately you click this place, you see the ID of your MT4. Every MT4 have different ID. So these are the menus. Here is the chart display, and this place is the place that you can see the list of currency. This is what they call quote. You can see quote. Even in banks, when you go, you see something on the screen, quote. You see dollar is raised as this and sell like this. Even in like airports, yeah. So if you want to add some currency that are not here, you press this plus button. You add. Let me see, you want to add Australian dollar and some other thing. Look at Australian dollar card. You press add, so it will pop up. Look at it, I've added. Then here is for editing and delete. If you want to edit, look. If you want to draw, you drag these 3 dots, you exchange it. You press the 3 dots and exchange. Why, if you want to delete, you press delete. You will select the currency you want to delete, because many people need to focus on one currency or two currency to be able to be profitable. It's not until you trade the 100 and something currency that are in the platform. So as you are going, so here is the setting. These are the settings that you need. You can change the color of the chart. You can change the color of the chart if you want. If you want, like this. I don't like this color, but I will change it to my normal color, and I will show you how to do that on my next episode. So try to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So if you don't have MT4 as a Forex trader, just head into Play Store and download, so that we can be able to move together. And try to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you on my next episode. Bye bye. Thank you.